Hello, welcome to my channel. Cricut came with some new material and I was lucky enough to get early access. So we are excited to open the box, aren't we? Yes, we are. Come on, Tofu. Let's go. Hey, I know we're excited. Let mommy show everyone what's in here. So Cricut came out with some new material and we're super excited to share with everyone to show what's in the box. So without further ado, we have some transfer tape, lineless one, and it comes in bulk. We also have it in a smaller package here. So you know, here's what's in the box. We also have some glossy, permanent, cold activated and heat activated vinyl. It shows you the color that it changes down here. We also have some iron-on vinyl that is UV activated color changing, which I'm super excited about. And here, this is a reflective one. It is an iron-on and you will love this as well. We also have smart vinyl, paper dissolvable. It is very fun, and over here you can see it's great for labeling lunches and leftovers, and it could wash right off. Again, here's another cold activated color vinyl. Uh-oh, my puppy's getting into the paper. No, Tofu, no. No. Get off. You can't eat the paper. No, sorry, some distraction. So we'll just go quickly on this. And we have also, look, permanent vinyl in the color tones. So many of you guys who do color tone projects with vinyl, now you have the option to have color tone ones. Here again, there's other color heat activated vinyl, and here you can see the color it changes to, and UV activated one as well. These are just so fun. You also have iron-on that's a UV activated one, and here you can see the color that it changes to. It's just so fun. There's so many options, so many colors, and here's another heat and cold activated. I can't wait to play with it. Here are some colors that are in the mint, coral, and rose gold iron-on that people have been asking for. So here's the color. Another one is like for the joy. You have these smart dissolvable labels, also lineless transfer tapes for the joy. And here we also have new colors of smart label, which I'm so excited because I remember someone in the group asking about the gold label one. So finally, here's one here. Here you have another writable in like kind of like a holographic color, as you can see right here. And here, this one is this one is holographic. This one's still holographic too, but this one has some sparkle. So I gotta watch my puppy from eating my Cricut boxes. Uh-oh, she's too excited, so I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.